Yeah, like, yeah. 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 Like a, well, I am glad that you are here, Genie. Like I'm just so glad that you're here. Hold on. You don't have to take me, but just like before. Hey, wait a minute, Genie. Like, yeah. Well, since your real Google account doesn't have a profile picture, only in your YouTube channel, just like before. I'm absolutely recording this, I swear. You're recording me? Like, I am recording too, you know. Just like, please, let's just not worry about recording, okay? Just like, whoa. Genie, there's no need to worry about. It's just no need to worry that I have it all under control. I just have it all under control and stuff. Like, yeah. Right. Well, what are you gonna do? Oh, me? Yeah. Like a... yeah. So... Mousy? What are you doing? Wait. Hold on a second. Who's Mousy? Like... Oh, Mousy? Yeah, he's just a good old mouse friend of mine. Yeah, I asked him to move that bar out of the way so we could continue talking. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, well, even though I'm not talking in a pattern, just like everything, well, Genie, Genie there? Who has it like that? Yeah, she has left the meeting. Yeah, I know that this video is on the Genie Hornet channel, except for mine and mine too. It's on the Genie Hornet channel. You know it's on me and Genie Hornets. Like, yeah, I was just recording our meeting so that we would have a chance for Genie and I to talk together. Yeah, you know. Like Genie would never show her face. Like, Genie would never show her real face. Never in the real place. Like, yeah. Mousy, can this video end now? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll be in the Genie Hornet channel sometimes. Like, yeah. Yeah. Like, can this end or what?